January proved to be quite eventful for Indian solar industry. Let's look at the top developments from the month. PM Narendra Modi has announced the launch of pradhanmantrisuryodayayojana. Under this initiative, 1 crore Indian households will get rooftop solar plants. This scheme is expected to help reduce the electricity bill of poor and middle class and make India self-reliant in the field of energy. The Indian government raised the solar subsidy by 23%. The subsidy on 1 to 3 kilowatt solar plants has been raised to 18,000 per kilowatt and 3 to 10 kilowatt to 9,000 per kilowatt. The subsidy for the systems above 10 kilowatt installed in individual households has been removed. Moreover, in northeastern ELE states and union territories, the government will provide subsidy of up to 20,000 per kilowatt. MNRE has simplified the rooftop solar installation process for residential consumers. Consumers need to provide their electricity bill, vendor agreement and project completion report while setting up the plant. The ministry has also told the DISCOMs to keep the sufficient stock of net meters and smart meters to avoid the commissioning delays. The Indian government has approved a sum of 24,000 crore for tribal solar electrification initiative. Under the scheme, 1 lakh Indian households of particularly vulnerable tribal groups will get off-grid solar plants. This project will be implemented in 18 states. This initiative will improve access to clean and reliable electricity in the tribal regions. Indian Railways has commissioned 210 MW of solar and 103 MW of wind capacity. Uttar Pradesh is planning to invest 1 lakh crore for 125 clean energy projects. Delhi government has announced a new solar policy and is providing free electricity to rooftop solar adopters. Varanasi is committed to solarizing 25,000 households in the next 2 months. Pondicherry is planning to solarize 50,000 homes by December 2024. Indo government to set up 30,000 rooftop solar plants in the next 3 months. Himachal Pradesh is all set to support in generating income through solar energy. 20,000 government buildings in Jammu and Kashmir will be covered under rooftop solar program by 2025. In other news, API Apollo On-Net In-Roof has launched OJAS, a unique solution to set up a solar plant in just 4 hours. Check out the link in the description for more information about the structure and don't forget to follow us for more such videos.